usa ka dakong blasphemy. So, observe yourself. Evaluate your own spiritual life. Are you using divine viewpoint in your life or human? Are you producing human good? Divine good, as we know from doctrine, is the prime good. Sa John 15, 1-6, and Ephesians 2-10. Prime good. Unya, the Greek word here is mistos, which means reward, paycheck. All divine good are rewardable in the eternal state. Patay. Basta mubuhat na gani ka og divine good, na-reward na naoy. Na-reward behind it. Divine good na. See?